Let's analyze together quantum computing.
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. First time that we see this stock, let's talk about it. If you have more information, please share it with us in the comments below if you are following it, if you knew about it. What do you think about this last movement that you can see right here on the right of the screen? You can see $7 right now, more or less, minus 7% today. But the thing is, more than 1,500%. But if you take a look to the past of this stock since 2018, more or less, you can see drops of more than minus 90% and another upside right there of more than 2,700%. And if we go a little bit earlier to 2016-17, you can see another huge uptrend right there. The thing is, this had like a stock split 1 to 200. You can see right there, the 3rd of July of 2018. So that may have changed these percentages and prices, but the thing is, the volatility in this stock is for sure.
Yeah, exactly. And that's normal because if you go to the market cap of this stock, it experiences a lot of volatility because, you know, the market cap itself. And actually, if we go, for instance, right here to the chart, you can clearly see the market cap right now is $858 million, which is actually new highs in that sense in terms of market cap. It happened, you know, the last time it happened was back in February 2021, almost 400 million of market cap, but the rest like very, very little. And when you have such a low market cap, the volatility increases like completely crazy. And actually right now, we have like a unique scenario in this stock because the rally is incredible, obviously. In the past, it happened the same, but it's not the same because the market cap right here is huge in comparison to the previous rallies. Then we have the volume. Right now, we have these candles, volume candles. We have volume included in those candles.
Yeah,
and
you go to the weekly chart, you can see the volume.
Exactly, and that's huge. I mean, it never happened. It never happened something like this in this stock. This huge volatility, this huge volume in the last couple of weeks, it's insane. You know, it's like it's making new records overall.
Yeah, the thing with that volume, as you mentioned, this candlesticks volume, you can see also very interesting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive green candles in the weekly time frame, with these last two with the biggest volume. And also this last candle right now is a kind of a doji pattern, you can see right there, and it's in the red territory for now. We have to wait and see how this week closes. Do you think this will be the 7th consecutive green candle, or will this be like the break of that trend? How do you see that? And also for the near future and long term of this stock, because it's a very interesting moment. The stock seemed to be over, was trading around 0.35 cents, and from there skyrocketed to more than $7, almost reaching $9.13. So very interesting. Many investors maybe were talking about it. This is the first time that we see this, but when we see this volatility and this type of scenarios, we like to know what happened. We don't know it exactly, but we have some information right here that may have helped to this last movement.
Okay, so before this information, let's analyze the latest trend. And actually, we have here this uptrend, and yeah, we're gonna read this later. And the uptrend is huge. So as long as it doesn't go below $5, this uptrend will continue, and that's important. Follow the trend. I have a book right there. Follow trend following. It's important to follow the price action. But you know, obviously, if this there is a breakout in this trend, you know, it's like the uptrend could be finished. And if that happens, look at that. You know, in stocks like this with huge volatility, the correction could be huge, and you don't want to experience that when that happens.
Yeah, exactly. So as usual, many different trading strategies, but at the end, what we always say is make sure that you know what you are doing, and also, of course, take into account the profit, but also the risk involved. So let's read this breaking news that we have right here. If you have more information about it, as usual, or you have different, let us know in the comments below. Registered direct offering for this company. The company has entered into a securities purchase agreement for this registered direct offering, raising for $40 million. The offering involves the sale of 16 million shares of common stock at $2.50 per share. The proceeds are intended for debt repayment, working capital, and general corporate purposes. We don't know exactly how could have this affected the price of the stock, but of course the stocks right now are higher than $2.50 per share. We are talking right now more than $7. So how do you think this information has affected the price in this stock? Do you think this is good news, bad news, or how do you see that for this stock, quantum computing?
Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video, and remember to subscribe to Trading HD to watch more content like this.
No, first of all, let's go with the seasonals.